If you sell home items, then Wayfair is a great choice for you because it is the fastest growing e-commerce marketplace in the USA with over 22 million active customers, and its popularity is increasing day by day. The most interesting part is selling on Wayfair is free. There is no fee or commissions. They pay you the wholesale price for your products and handle the retail pricing. But many sellers find it difficult to sell on this marketplace. If you are one of them, don't worry. In this video, I will cover everything that you need to know. How to create an account, what are the criteria, and going to show you how you can list your products. First, you need to check that you meet the selling criteria. Don't worry, there aren't a lot of complicated criteria, just two simple ones. First, you need to have dropshipping potential. Second, you need product liability insurance with at least 1 million coverage per incident and 2 million total coverage. If you are okay with this, now you need to apply to create an account. Go to sellwayfair.com, click on apply. Now this page appears. Need to fill up this form with your contact information such as your first and last name, job title, email address and phone number, and then comes business information like your business name, your business address, country, city, zip code, etc. And finally, fill up your logistical information. After submitting your application, Wayfair team will take a look at your detail. This may take a few days. Make sure all the information you have provided is accurate and complete to avoid any delays. Okay, let's say you are registered successfully. Now the most crucial point is what product to sell on Wayfair and how you find them. For that, you need proper product research. I would suggest you have clear answers to 3 questions. Is the product profitable? Does it have strong demand? And is it relatively low in competition? You know, Wayfair only sells home items, so make sure your product fits into their category they allow. Here you will find the idea of what they are selling on the marketplace, such as furnitures, outdoor items, rugs, bedding, decor and pillow, lighting, kitchen items, etc. etc. Now the question is how you can find profitable products to sell on this platform. Interestingly, Wayfair has a tool similar to Amazon Brand Analytics. From backend, if you click on View Sales Dashboard, this page appears, and here if you scroll down to the category performance section, here you see the revenue trend. Unit sold trend of all the categories. Seeing this, you get the idea of what categories sell the most, and you can focus selling on that trendy categories. However, there is another simple way to do product research. What I do is go to the page. Now here these are the categories: furniture, outdoors, bedding, bathing, and all these. In each category, you can find top rated products or trending now. By exploring all these, you will have an idea of what items are popular in Wayfair. So before choosing your product, make sure you check all these and choose the best product to sell on Wayfair. Always remember, if your product selection process is right, the rest of the journey will be easier for you. Okay, you got the product, you created the account, and now the next step is listing product on Wayfair. Log into your Wayfair account. Now from product, go to product management and click on add products. Here you see 2 options. Quick upload. This means using Excel file to list multiple items all at once. And then there is guided upload. This is actually manual process, listing one at a time. Click on guided upload. Now here click SQ Edition to add products to your catalog. Now select brand. After selecting brand in which your product will be listed, you have 2 options. Either you use template to add multiple products or add products one at a time. I'm going with this. Now we need to fill the information such as product name, supplier's part number, manufacturer's part number, UPC code, and your brand name. Now click add product. This page will appear, and this is the product's information that we gave. Click on next for the further process. Now we need to add images here. Click on add new image. You can drag and drop your image from your PC. Alright, done. You can add videos as well. Just click on videos and the process is the same. Now you need to add product documents in this segment, like if you have any certification regarding your products. Here you can see the guideline. Make sure you read the guidelines properly. Next is classing. This actually means your product categories. Now you need to select the appropriate categories from here. Now in the product level detail section, here we need to add information about product packaging details such as carton weight, height, width, depth, etc. etc. Fill this up according to your information. Next, fill up the shipping information such as lead time, replacement part lead time, ship type like is it small parcel or large parcel, etc. After filling all these, now we need to add pricing information. Here I am adding base cost of our products. Alright, click on next. Now in the class specific details, we need to fill out the attributes of all products in all classes. These vary with product categories. Like ours is picture frames, so our attributes are like frame structure, number of frames, and all regarding picture frames. So let me fast forward this section. Alright, that's done. Now click next. If you are selling on Wayfair, you must comply with Proposition 65 to avoid potential penalties and ensure your products meet California's legal requirements. This is especially important for products shipped to California consumers. So make sure you read all this and fill this segment carefully. Now, the next is collection. Collection refer to groups of products that are categorized based on common stylistic and artistic approach. If you want to add collection, then fill this segment. However, I am skipping this. Now fill up the SKU level details with marketing copy, feature bullets. Make sure you include keywords for the search ranking. And fill the details about the country of manufacturers. Tick mark on this, and finally our listing is done. We can review it from here. After all done perfectly, click Submit Project. And that's all. This process is simple but lengthy, so if you have any trouble with the process or if you have a hard time managing your account and grow online business, we are here to help you. Write your concern in an email and send it to info@ecomclips.com. Let's scale up your business with our 12 years of experience and expertise. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.